ocean, and fishes, they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore? Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. A dragonfly heard the message. Darkness was home for the star. It spread its wings to the surface. The bright colors set them apart. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I Afternoon on a train. I only took it because it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall. This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves her or if loving him is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. Almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray, but in here a vivid world is on display. The man behind me, he carries a suitcase, a custom cut suit, but shadows on his face. Was it just a bad day? Will he laugh when he gets home? Or did it all go astray, and now he sleeps alone? I don't know where from coals, decades of living, a multiverse ballet. But the earth just keeps spinning, and tomorrow all of these seats will be filled with new faces. Anyway, they won't know where I'm going, they won't even know my name. They won't know if my life has been a breeze or hurricane. They won't know that I sit here writing verses of their pain, but they will know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train.
You turn into the worst of me, held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust, upshot from all your broken nights. Still wish I never told you why I feel not love. But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that can keep you close to me? But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that's in my sleep? But regret I couldn't hold goodbyes. If I said you would try to deny it was, guess it's said about trying life for me. Is it better that you hurt tonight? Cause the weather ain't determined sky my world. Was there ever any wasted time to be? But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that will keep you close to me? But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that's in my sleep? Even if that's all you want from me, I still care for you. I still care. Even if that's all you want from me, I'ma still care for you. I'ma still care for you.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards held close to my chest. Takes me time to relax, I confess. But somehow I gave it all to you. I complicate every situation, build up a storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best kind of me. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We stay with me? Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting old. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you. I've been missing. I've been missing. I've been missing someone like you. I've been missing. I've been missing. I've been missing someone like you. Someone like you.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
I left our names written in the sand. I didn't know that they would wash away so fast, and that note I left in your bed. You don't have to lie to me, I know it wasn't read. I left our names written in my heart. I didn't see that we were there
mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Just let me show you everywhere I've been. Travel the world, still I miss my friends. The season turns, go home again. Drive in reverse when the summer ends. You got me high, you got me thinking I want it over again. And you got me high, you got me thinking I want it over again. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine.
I was in my room when those fateful words light up my screen. You're trying to be tough, but you are more than I can breathe. I told you what I want, but words don't seem to hold my weight. So take me back to where we started, where everything was fun and games. Now I'm the villain, cold-hearted girl wouldn't listen. Never gave you what you needed. I guess you think I'm selfish and a little messed up in the head. Who's gonna tell them that I was clear with intentions from tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice, whether or not I'd be moved on from you by now. If I had a voice or a shot at letting you go, putting you down, you know I would, but still I miss you. And it's hard, cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories are like songs, I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. It's like every scene I think about, I keep on repeat from start to end. Oh, but honestly, I'm scared that now we fucked it up too much now for us to be friends. I'm not trying to say it's all on you. I've made my share of mistakes. I know I'm no saint, but it was you that broke the other half of this heartbreak. I hate you now, but still I miss you. And it's hard, cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories are like songs, I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Play that one again, first day that we met, before the start of our end had even happened yet. Play that one again, the night you took her out, the day after you said you wanted me without a doubt. Maybe then I can put an end to glorifying you, everything you put me through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I miss you, and it's hard, 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, and I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, but I keep thinking about the good times. Memories like songs, I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs, I keep hitting, I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs, I keep hitting rewind.
Let me just press rewind. I wanna go back in time so I can just warn myself not to fall in love with you. I tell myself not to go. I wouldn't have to ever know. We took on this whole far show, so our paths will never cross. Let me restart these couple months, erase you from my heart before you really fucked me up. Don't wanna replay how much it cost, 'cause I know I'm better off removing you from my thoughts. I was doing just fine before you came into my life, so just let me restart on this blank page. If I had a time machine, I'd make sure we would never meet. So when I finally meet somebody new, I wouldn't wish that they were just like you. Wish I never felt your touch, wish I never called me up, wish I never held your hand. But I also wish that we would never